The potential productivity gains to your business from implementation of practical resource efficiency initiatives on site are substantial. There are opportunities for companies of all sizes to improve competitiveness, whether you're seeking to reduce energy use, cut back on the cost of inputs, or generate less waste. The Australian Industry Group, together with City West Water, with funding provided by Sustainability Victoria, have developed a series of short online videos that showcase how other small and medium businesses have cut costs and boosted productivity. We hope that these will inspire your business to do the same.
Victoria Carpets manufactures broadloom carpet for mainly the domestic market in Australia. This plant here in Bendigo, which is about 2 hours north of Melbourne, employs around about 120 people. We mainly import raw wools from New Zealand and then we manufacture them here and we convert them into fibre and yarn that can be used in the carpet manufacturing. The business has always run extremely efficiently. However, we did a lot of analysis and found that there was a lot of improvements that we could make, mainly in the environmental and sustainability area. Victoria Carpets has been accredited to ISO 9000 for about 17 years. And in 2008, we found it was extremely important that we go for ISO 14001, which is an international environmental accreditation. I would suggest that any business that's looking at ways of making improvements is that they do an energy and a resource audit, and that will help them identify projects that they can do where they can make improvements. Throughout the plant, we identified that we were using a lot of energy for lighting, and we found that we could replace all of the old lighting with new technology LED lighting, which uses reduced energy. Also in that project, we took advantage of the natural sunlight that's coming in through the windows, so we put in automatic lux detectors that turn the lights on and off depending on the amount of light that was coming through the window. This resulted in a saving to this plant of over 500,000 kilowatts per year, which equated to about $30,000 a year saving. The staff have actually been very, very positive about all of the changes that we've done. The lighting levels have been really, really fantastic, very, very even, very, very level, which makes the working environment in the plant really, really good. One of the other major projects that we looked at was replacing all of the very old-fashioned gas-hungry heaters that we had with the overhead infrared heaters, and that gave us a saving of around about 6,000 gigajoules a year, reduction in gas, which equated to about $33,000 a year. As well as the infrared heating, it was important that we retain the heat within the factory, so we introduced fast action roller doors to keep all that heat in. In 2013, the company entered into the Premier Sustainability Awards, and we actually won 2 awards. One was for large business and one was for regional Victoria. And we're very proud of the fact that we won those, and it's all to do with the environmental and sustainability drive that we were pushing. Well, the advice that Victoria Carpets would give to any other business is that they do an energy audit that looks at how much energy they're using through the site, how much resources they're using through the site, and from there they can help them identify projects that need to be done. The environmental and sustainability program has been really rewarding. It's been very beneficial in terms of savings that we've made in energy and water and recycling, and importantly in money as well. Looking at the bigger picture, I think there's a lot of things that all companies need to be looking at to make what they do a little bit more friendly, a little bit more sustainable and good for the environment.
If you've been inspired by this case study to investigate similar opportunities available to your business to cut costs and boost productivity, but you're not sure where to start, why don't you contact the Australian Industry Group's Environment and Energy team for practical information and support. AI Group can help get the ball rolling by providing you with the tools and resources your business needs and assisting you to access relevant industry support programs. We ask you now to take just a couple of minutes to complete our short survey.